Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to say about food. What is food? Food gives us energy to do our work such as playing, talking, walking and studying, etc. Some energy is used to grow. Next, we will see the headings what we are going to learn. Food groups, roughage and water. Next, balanced diet, preservation of food, rest, posture and exercise. Next, we will start from food groups. What there is some substances the food we eat that is called nutrients. First, what is nutrients? The substances that are needed by our body to grow and stay healthy and strong is called nutrients. First, we will see the 5 types of nutrients. What are them? Carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. First, we will see some examples of food items rich in carbohydrates. Cereals like rice, corn and wheat are rich in carbohydrates. Next, for vegetables, vegetables such as potatoes gives us a lot of energy. Food items that are rich in carbohydrates are called as energy-giving food. People who does a lot of physical work need more energy, so who work more hard, so they need more physical energy. So who are they? We will see some examples. Farmers, laborers and sportsperson. They need lot of energy to do their work. Next, we will see about proteins. What are proteins? Proteins are otherwise called as bodybuilding food. Next, we will see some examples about proteins. Food items like milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses are some examples of proteins. Proteins are otherwise called as bodybuilding food. It helps us to repair our body and growth and for building muscles. Next, young children more protein rich in food because they are still growing. Next, we will see about fats. What are fats? Fats help us to keep our body warm. Next, we will see some examples of food items: nuts, oil, ghee and butter. Fats help us to provide us more energy than carbohydrates. So, fats keep our body warm. Next, we will see about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are otherwise called as protective food. Food items are rich in vitamins are called protective food. You will see some examples: fresh fruits and vegetables, milk, eggs and peanuts are rich in vitamins. There are many vitamins like vitamin A, B complex and vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. Next, uses of vitamin A. Vitamin A improves our eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. Next, vitamin B complex. It helps us to do all the functions of our body. Next, vitamin C. It fights infections and germs and keep our gums and teeth strong. Next we'll go to minerals. We will see some examples of minerals: calcium, iron, potassium, iodine and sodium. Calcium rich food items are milk, curd, almonds and cheese. Next, we will see some iron and calcium rich in food helps us to keep our gum, bones and teeth strong. Next, we will see some iron rich food items that are green leafy vegetables and fruit and dry fruits and legumes. It helps us in the formation of blood. Next, we will see roughage and water. What is roughage? The roughage is also called as dietary fiber. What is dietary fiber? The dietary fiber helps us to remove the waste in our body, and the dietary fiber is nothing but it is the undigested part of the plant such as green leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals and corn. Next, it removes the waste of our body. Now we will see about water. Water is very important for our diet. The water is 3/4 in our body. The water helps us in all the functions of our body. Next, we will see rest, posture and exercise. What is rest? Rest help. Next, we will see the preservation of food. Preservation of food. The main preservation of food are drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing and canning and bottling. First, we will see about drying. What is drying? Drying helps us to remove the water content in the food. For example, we are making grapes to make it as raisins. Next, pickling. For pickling, we will add salt and oil with mango, lime and vegetables. For example, we will mix mango, lime and vegetables. Next, refrigerating. The refrigerating prevents the fruit from getting spoiled. The refrigerating helps us to keep the food and it helps us to prevent the food from getting spoiled for longer time. The refrigerate, for example, we will keep cooked food in the refrigerator. Next, deep freezing. The deep freezing preserves the food more than refrigerating for a long period of time. Next, we will keep fish and meat. Next, canning and bottling. The canning and bottling helps us to store liquid items such as milk, curd and some solid items such as pickle. So canning and bottling helps us to store food items such as sauces and jams. Next, what is preserving? Preserving is nothing but it prevents the food from getting spoiled. Next, what is balanced diet? Then the balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amount of nutrients and dietary fiber and water. That is called balanced diet. Next, we will see rest, posture and exercise. The rest helps us to keep our body healthy. Small children need 9 to 11 hours sleep a day. So, rest helps us for all the functioning of our body. If there is a lack of sleep, the body might get ill. Next, we will see about the posture. What is posture? A posture refers to a body position. Next, if a wrong posture is led to a long period of time, it would be a lot of pain in our joints and muscles. Next, we will see about exercise. What is exercise? Exercise helps us to stay healthy and strong. Thank you. We will meet in your next video. Thank you.